So hi students. So today we are let us discuss about profit and loss appropriation account. So profit and loss appropriation account, it may be asking for 6 marks or practical oriented questions. They are asking us the practical oriented questions. So you have to know what's the meaning of profit and loss appropriation account. The profit and loss appropriation account is an extension or continuation of profit and loss account. Profit and loss appropriation account is an extension or continuation of profit and loss account. The profit and loss appropriation is the account which shows the appropriation of profit or loss of the firm or distribution of profits or loss of the firm among the partners. Means here profit and loss appropriation account is an extension of profit and loss account in which the partners profit or loss distribution of the among the partners according to partnership deed. Before distribution of profit or loss among the partners, it records net profit and net loss along with preliminary appropriation of the profits such as interest on partners capital, interest on partners drawings, interest on partners loan, partner salaries, commission, etc. So we can discuss briefly in briefly. The first one, I told that continuation or extension. Continuation or extension. Continuation or extension. So we are done in first PUC. In case of partnership firm, trading account. All of you remember, I think, trading account. In this trading account, we has been finding gross profit or gross loss. So in this trading account we can find the gross profit or gross loss with help of opening stock, purchase return, sales return, carriage inwards, etc. Carriage inwards. So in this trading account, with help of opening stock, purchase return, sales return, carriage inwards, we can easily find gross profit and gross loss. After preparing trading account, we have to prepare profit and loss account. In this profit and loss account, we can easily find out net profit or net loss. Before finding net profit or net profit, we are transferring gross profit and gross loss from trading account to profit and loss account. After transferring gross profit and gross loss from trading account to profit and loss account, we need to enter certain indirect expenses such as general expenses means maintenance, selling expenses and financial expenses. Just I will tell you. So after trading account, we can prepare a profit and loss account. Then profit and loss account, after preparing profit and loss account, whatever you are finding the net profit and net loss, that net profit and net loss you are transferred to profit and loss appropriation, profit and loss appropriation account. This is actually meaning of continuation of profit and loss account. So whatever get the net profit and net loss, this net profit and net loss transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. In case we are getting net profit in profit and loss account, that profit will transfer to debit side of profit and loss account, debit side of profit and loss account profit. In case we are getting net loss, we are enter credit side of profit and loss account loss. This is the continuation. So its meaning, I told that the profit and loss appropriation account is an extension or continuation of profit and loss account. That profit and loss appropriation account which shows the appropriation of profit or loss. So after we are transferring net profit and net loss, we are recorded certain preliminary profits, such as I told that preliminary such as interest on partners capital, interest on partner drawings, partner salaries, commission, it should be recorded in profit and loss appropriation account. The profit and loss appropriation account prepared based on nominal account. Nominal account rule says that debit all expenses or losses, credit all incomes and gains. So based on nominal account, we can easily prepare profit and loss account. Thank you, student. Next class we will discuss format of profit and loss account. Just I told that the meaning of profit and loss account. Thank you.